Hello everyone, welcome to the Financial Information channel. My name is Marvin. In this video, I am going to mention 4 job opportunities that are available online. If this is the first time on the channel, I make videos about the stock market, personal finance, and how to make money online. So you may want to consider subscribing if you want to receive additional videos on those topics. Now let's begin with the video. The number 1 job that is going to be mentioned in this video is moderating web forums. Let's go to the description. Now as you can see, this is a temporary assignment. It's only about 15 hours per week, and the duration it says that is 6 months with the possibility to extend the assignment. And the location is going to be remote. The main duties and responsibilities are to moderate the web forums. And you can read some of the important points that they mention in the application. One of the most important duties will be to respond to inquiries from discussions. And the qualifications are simple: have experience with web-based networks, with WordPress, and in addition have a reliable internet access. And the first job is very easy because you will be able to work from your house. Even if you don't know WordPress, you will be able to find a lot of tutorials in YouTube. And just as a reminder, I'm gonna leave the links of every job that I'm mentioning in this video in the comment section. Now for the second job is another job that you will be able to work from your house, and that is related to customer service. And as you see, the job is very simple. You will be a customer support representative, and some of the responsibilities are gonna be to answer some of the calls, chats, or emails from customers and assist them with any questions regarding the products or services. In addition, you will be providing critical customer service like follow-ups. And the qualifications are simple as well. You will need a computer, you will need to have excellent verbal and written communication skills, and excellent problem diagnosis and problem solving skills, and some experience with CRM applications, and those applications are from Salesforce. And this is another easy job. All you have to do is communicate with the customer and provide excellent customer service. That is one of the most important things when you work in the sales department. And for the number 3, is going to be working with Enterprise. Now Enterprise is available in different states. I'm going to open the application so you can get an idea what you're going to be doing, but it's mostly related to sales. And as you can see, you will be able to work from home as a sales representative. Now in the Enterprise job, you will probably have a schedule, just like you see there is schedule requirements. The reservation sales teams is going to be available until 10 p.m. Central Time. And some of the responsibilities are going to be able to maintain and handle anywhere between 80 to 100 incoming calls per day. And those potential customers are going to be across multiple states. And as usual, when you work in a sales, is to compare some of those customers to sales. And the qualifications, I opened the Chicago, Illinois, but this application is available in different states. Now to work in Enterprise, they ask you to have at least 6 months in customer service experience, and just make sure they have a computer with a USB headset with microphone and an internet connection. So this is another job that's going to be available based on customer needs. Now let's go to the last one, which is the number 4, and that is going to be available in Kansas and Missouri. And this is going to be a call center agent, and the salary is going to be $13 per hour plus bonus. This is going to be a typical Monday through Friday from 10:30 to 7 p.m. Now, if you end up applying for this job, you're going to be responsible with taking calls, mainly inbound calls and a few outbound. Now, one of the huge benefits, the company will work around your school schedule. In addition, they will provide an initial 2-week training, and that training is going to be 100% paid, so that is another plus. And of course, you're going to have benefits like medical, dental, vision, and life insurance. You can read all the benefits that you're going to obtain. And to qualify, you need to have a high school diploma or GED and anywhere between 1 to 3 years of customer service experience. You will be able to see all the responsibilities in the screen. This job is going to be available only in Kansas and Missouri. Now this one looks more appealing, but it's only available in those 2 states. So if you're looking for a job in Kansas and Missouri, you may want to give this company a chance. And with that said, that's going to be everything for the video. You can share this video to anyone that is looking for a job, and you can give this video a like if you find this video helpful, or a dislike if you don't like it. In addition, I'm gonna continue making videos about the stock market, personal finance, and how to make money online. And remember, you can subscribe to this channel, and I'm gonna thank you once again for watching the video. Have an excellent day and take care, my friends.